Hey everybody, Don Dabney for Left Coast Classics, and this right here is just a really cool 1957 Ford Thunderbird. And in this video, I'm going to take you around the car, I'm going to take you under the car, I'm going to take you for a ride in the car, so buckle up. The car shifts nicely, it gets up through all the gears and has plenty of power. It runs really nicely. It kind of has a little bit of a growl to it. Right now we're on a pretty bumpy road. Sonoma doesn't have the best roads. And the suspension's nice, the brakes, the steering, everything feels really good on it. And when you step on it, it just really gets up and goes. We're cruising about 45 right now. It's about as fast as I can go on this rickety road, but I've had it out on the highway and it really gets up and goes nicely. It's a very nice driving car. Overall, it's a really nice, tidy car. And the paint is beautiful on it. They really did a nice job on the paint here. All right, so there you go. So be sure to check out my YouTube channel if you're not already on it. Somewhere around 8 million views already. I can't even believe it. Check us out on the social media sites. All of our current inventory is on my website at leftcoastclassics.com. And be sure to click and subscribe and get your notifications. We've been really building up our YouTube channel. It's been kind of fun. You can ride around in all kinds of cars with me. Also, check me out on Wheeler Dealers. I got 3 episodes under my belt. And unless I move back to England, I'm not sure there will be a 4th. I hope there is. We did the 1957 Ford Thunderbird, ironically, a black one, way back in the Ed China days. That would be this one right here. And we did another one, 2018. It was a 1972 Lancia Fulvia. Mike actually came over to buy an old Rover 3500 and spotted my Lancia Fulvia. And the most recent episode aired December, I think it was December 26th or December 29th. And it's a really special little green Triumph TR4 that I got from the original owner. So check all those out. Give me a call if you have any questions. My number's down in the description somewhere, and you can text me also. And anyway, thanks for checking this out. Please like, click, and then click subscribe if you would. Appreciate it. Trying to get our subscribers up. Have a good one. All right, let's head under the blue T-Bird. You can see it's just really nice under here. There's no rust, no rot. It looks like the factory undercoating has served this car really well because it's in great shape under here. A little bit damp, but not a leaker. It doesn't puddle. And you can see these inner rockers are nice and clean and tidy. It's just sort of a quintessential California car, I guess. So get back here into the rear quarters and let's flip around. A little overspray from the blue, but nice rear quarters. Again, really nice inner rockers. And of course, just really solid, great floors. Very nice under here. Unrestored undercarriage. Nice stainless steel exhaust, newer shocks. It sounds fantastic. There you go. I like to take a kind of a weak magnet and just kind of take you around the car and make sure it sticks. A little bit of filler in there. And of course, we're going to expect some on a car this age. That's nice and strong metal. All right, let's go over to the other side. Yeah, that's grabbing really well. This feels like metal. They all have a little, usually have a little something. All right, there you go. I think it passes the magnet test.